first off, we're going to put one leg out to the side and your hands behind your head, lifting up your body and then lifting up the leg that is directly behind you. Repeat this 10 times. Then repeat the same thing but with a bent leg. Then suspend your bent leg and hold. Switch out your legs and repeat the same thing. Make sure your body doesn't rock forward as you lift your leg. Then lift your body and legs up simultaneously and complete a swimming-like sequence, moving your legs up and down and then across each other while keeping your body up. Then complete the same sequence but on your back, trying to keep your legs from touching the floor. Tighten up your core muscles to keep your body up straight. Then we will start doing kicks. Start off with laying on your back and kicking one of the legs up towards your face. Try to keep your body straight, not twisted, and your other leg firmly on the ground. Then, pulse your leg towards your head, keeping your hands out to the side, making sure that you don't twist your body as you do so. Repeat the same thing on your other leg.
What we do here is go back.
Then, turn to the side and complete the same sequence. When kicking, try to keep your legs straight and your toes pointed on both feet. Once you've completed the sequence on one side, turn over to the other side and repeat the exact same thing. Now that your legs are stretched out, slide into splits. Make sure that you straighten out your body and keep your back as straight as possible. Then, lean forward towards your front leg and hold that position. Repeat the same while leaning back. Switch over to the other leg and repeat a similar sequence. First, straighten out your body and sit upright in a plain split position. Then lean forward, trying to reach as far forward as possible, and then lean back, also trying to reach as far as possible. Once you've completed the splits, stand up and get ready to do some bridges from standing. Spread out your legs and lean back into the bridge. Try to get your hands as close as possible to your feet. Then get up and rise onto your toes. Lean forward to stretch out your back before repeating the same sequence again. Each time you repeat this sequence, try to get your hands closer and closer to your feet until you grab onto your feet entirely.